Hello all, hope everybody fine. Please take care of your health. And this is Sai Dinesh, expecting the boost up from you with your like, share, and subscriptions. So therefore, it really enhances me to do more and more. Okay, thank you so much. And we will discuss the concept of all silver teacups that we often listen in trigonometry. And in your 10th standard, actually, it was deleted in currently, but my request is to you that everyone has to learn it because it really it has many uses in the 11th and 12th standard. So therefore everyone has to learn it, and please be focused on these concepts also, and don't neglect like it was deleted. So please focus on it. And so before going to that, I just would like to tell a small story. Okay, listen, a small story. Trust me, I don't take much time of yours. For example, a person called for example K, a person called K. Okay, he has four sons, sorry, three sons. One is A, and another one is B, and another one is C. Okay, and actually this K, that means father, has a own house. So this is their house. Okay, and now one day these are the kids, and one day all are grown up and got married, and now all those got married to, for example, A dash and B dash and C dash. Okay, and one day father said that, my dear sons, so you all are got married, so therefore just take your own houses and stay separately, because in the future you would have kids, etc. So they, uh, for me all these are three kids, so therefore take three different houses and stay there. So this is what said by their father, and all the kids are respected that and took three different houses. And now let us understand, this is one house for A and A dash. This is the house for A and A dash, and this is the another house for B and B dash, and this is another house for C and C dash. So these are the three different houses were taken by A, B, C. Okay, and now there are a few rules here. The rules that father kept the rules that if B should not enter, B should not enter the home of A. No entry. If he enter, he will get, B will get minus. And at the same time, A should not enter B's house. If he enters, he will get no entry. If he overcome the rule, A will get minus. At the same time, for all. Okay, one should not enter into any one house. But the condition is, if anybody wants to meet, they need to go to the directly to the father house only. All A and B and C, everyone should go to the father house, and everyone can able to meet here and can able to spend some time. So they should not meet in any one of the house. They only they has to meet in their father house only. So this is a rule. Okay, so sir, you can ask me that why are you saying all these stories. Yeah, this is, I'm not going to waste your time. This is relevant to the topic of all silver teacups only. See, and now I will tell you. And this is the axis. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is x dash, this is y dash. Okay, and now okay, and now this is like that father's house. Okay, q1 is father house, and this is q2, this is q3, this is q4. So father has three sons like A, B, and C. So Understand here, Q means quadrant. Okay, Q means quadrant. And now, so this Q2 was given to sine and cosec. Okay, only sine theta and cosec theta will stay in this Q2. Okay, and he has sine and cosec, and also cos and secant and tan and cot theta. All these are positive here because this is the father's house. But here only sine and cosec are positive, and no one should enter into the quadrant of Q2. No one should enter into the house of Q2. Okay, if they enter, they will get the negative. And here tan theta and cot theta will be positive. And the rest all, even if sine enters into the Q3, they will be getting negative only. And in the Q4, only cot theta and tan theta, sorry, in the Q4, only cos theta and secant theta are positive, and the rest all are negative. So no one should enter into anyone's home. If they want to meet, they need to meet in the Q1 only. So this is 90 degrees and 90, understand here 90, and this is 90 plus 90, 180, and this is 180 plus 90, 270, and 270 plus 90, it is 360 degrees. Okay, so this is the rule. And now you can ask me, so sir, what is the use of all silver teacups? It is just the words to remember this. All means all are positive in the first quadrant in Q1. And here sine, S means sine. Okay, sine theta and cosec theta, these are positive. And T means tan theta and cot theta, these are positive. C means cos, so sine, and T means tan, and C means cos. See that cos and secant here. So all these are positive in their respective quadrants. And now one should not enter into any one of the quadrant. Only if they will be getting positive in the first quadrant. And if they enter into any one of the quadrant with irrespective of their own quadrant, they will get the negative. I will tell you how. So for example, and now just try to understand. For example, I will give a few examples here. And also, I would like to tell one more rule. Please try to understand one more rule. So, if you can see here, if 90 into even multiple, 90 into even multiple, and this is 90 into odd multiple, odd multiple. So what is 90 into even multiple? So 90 into even multiple, if it is theta is 90 into even multiple, then you will get trigonometric function, trigonometric function, trigonometric function doesn't change. Trigonometric function doesn't change. Okay, if odd multiple, trigonometric function, I will keep trigonometric function TF changes. Changes. So sir, you can ask me how does it change? For example, I will give an example. See, example. For example, assign 225. Sine 225. Okay, sine 225. And now we can say that sine 225 we can write like 90 into 9 2s are 18, 180 plus 45 degrees. Okay, the same 90, same sine 20, 225 only, we can write like sine 90 into 3, it is 270 minus 45. Then also we will get sine 225. And now we are obtained with 90 into even multiple, 90 into even. So here the 90 into odd multiple, odd multiple. So therefore, if it is even multiple, trigonometric function doesn't change. Trigonometric function doesn't change means sine only will come, sine only. And trigonometric function changes, changes means sine will change into cos, and therefore, and now it is 90 into 2, it is totally 225. From the diagram you can see this is 180 and 270, so definitely 225 lies in quadrant 3, right? 225 lies in 180 crossed and 270 below. So 225 lies here. Where here Q3 only tan and cot are positive. But what happened here? What happened here? Sine entered into the quadrant of tan and cot because sine house is at Q2. But now what is the what actually the sine is doing in the Q3? It's getting 225. That means unfortunately the sine entered into the quadrant 3. So if it is entered into the quadrant 3, then I said sine will get negative because it entered into the quadrant 3. Understand? Because sine's house is in the second quadrant, but unfortunately it entered into the quadrant 3, so therefore you will get minus. So minus sine, then the process is completed, this will be disappeared, that's it. And which is left now? 45. So minus sine 45. And what is the, we know that sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so the answer is minus 1 by root 2. And now we will do this. It is 90 into 3, 207, 225. Then it is also negative, minus. Because 90 into 3, 225 in the Q3. If it is in the Q3, but the house of sine is in the Q1, Q2. So therefore, what actually sine is doing in Q3? It will get negative only, minus. Then it disappeared, completed, and the left value is 45. So minus cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. So therefore, both values are the same. The both values are same. Minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2. So we can find the value of sine 225 in any manner, either on this like or like that. So not only the function of sine 225, like any value of trigonometric function which is more than 90 degrees, like sine 300, cos 225, or tan 720, or any number we can find through this method. Okay, so this is called all silver teacups. So please try to choose your own trigonometric functions and try to do them in your own manner, so therefore you will get it definitely in this process. So thank you so much.